So when you're doing a bumper, we're gonna start on our flat, and what's gonna happen is right here, anytime you're doing a full bumper, I know this is half, but anytime you're doing a full bumper, you're always gonna pull along the flat. And what's gonna happen is you just tightening that up left to right. It's gonna create that positive tension going left to right, or horizontal tension on the surface. That's gonna come all the way over, and you're gonna stop right before the curve. Now, this is when you add heat. This is everywhere you see those squiggles. You're gonna add heat going up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. As someone's pulling here with both hands, one and one, and by pulling out endless way, it goes around that corner. Usually you stop the heat about right here. This is pretty flat. Then you're gonna shrink and form this area. Because you used all this heat, you hold it off, you heat it, and then it'll literally just fall in just like this. So even when you take your heat gun, this doesn't move. It just shrinks. Right here, I put an inlay. Due to the fact that it's a rounded curve, you can make a relief cut here, and then the rest of this is flat. You just tuck it in. Recess right here, push. If you heat the actual flat, then this won't have stress. Inlay the bottom. You can always inlay this, or you can inlay the whole thing. It's all personal preference. You could also do this in one piece and just have your inlay here. It's just a little harder. At the top, this area is pretty cool, but you have your 1-inch squeegee method. Because this is a complex curve, all you need to just do is quite literally just take your squeegee and change up the direction of it, and it's gonna make it so that you don't make any wrinkles. Come here, come straight up with your squeegee. Make a nice relief cut right here. Allow this material to fall in. Give it a little heat, push, 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 and right here, really important. You have to heat this area and this whole area and attack this from this angle. Otherwise you'll get a little wrinkle in that corner too. And at the top, you cut on the sides and then flap it over. And then there's a slight overlap. But that's pretty much our whole bumper. And if anybody has any questions, throw it in the comments.